With women, we are identical. Period. If our mind is not into it, we ain't having sex. Neither is this part. What? You want to see what? No, I'm saying it's the truth. Your dick does not care. As long as she can please it. It doesn't care. You do. Up here does. Down there it don't. Believe me, I have proven that theory very much true. I was 210 pounds, remember? I was a big girl. And I proved that theory very much wrong. Because I had dudes that were very attractive that would never have sex with a big girl. But yet, the dick disagreed with that. So no, that's a lie. If a woman knows what she doing, the dick gonna want to sleep with her. It's y'all who fucked that up. Ain't got nothing to do with me. Ain't got nothing to do with a woman. Because if y'all base it on looks and if she got titties and ass, y'all make it more complicated than what it need to be. That's up there in the top part of your brain. It ain't got nothing to do with the bottom half. The bottom half cannot see anything. The bottom half only goes off of feeling. It don't go off nothing else.